So there are two major pieces in modern web architecture. It's front-end part. It's where we, meaning users, interact with our application. And as you can see on the picture on the left side, it's called client side, and there is a laptop over there. So that's what we use for interacting with application. It's not necessarily like laptop, but it also can be Android, mobile phone, iOS, mobile phone, and so on. So we humans interact with front end. And on the back side over there, you can see the server. And that server runs some code written in different languages, and there is a databases. So it's not what we interact with directly, but it's what's kind of behind the scenes does the heavy lifting for us. So yeah, there is a huge data storages and some other logic involved, but we do connect through the internet from client to server side, and it happens a lot really. So how it works. So if I open a browser of any browser really, and I navigate to any page, let's say google.com. So what happens, the browser, it's a front end. It's on my computer, right? So it's client side. When I enter google.com, it sends a request to backend of the Google, and Google will return us back HTML. So HTML is a standard language for web browsers. So all the pages in the web are built in HTML. And we use HTTP protocol to get requests and get response back. So two protocols here. And then browser will read the page. HTML is nothing but text. So we will read the page and try to identify all the images that are there, different scripts, fonts, and maybe sometimes talk to third-party backend applications. For example, payments, if you know PayPal, a lot of websites accept payments through PayPal, but those websites, it's not their application. PayPal does all the payment processing and they just use it. So it's another completely different application. It doesn't mean that you cannot use it, or like Google Maps. And some Uber, for example, uses a map, right? So Uber itself has nothing to do with maps, but they use third-party maps within their application. And then browser will take all that information and visualize the page, and it's called rendering, page rendering.